Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is yoga taught by Taylor, and today we are going to focus on the shoulders. So meet me in a comfortable seated posture, sitting back on your heels, bending at the knees, or sending the legs straight out in front of you. Nice long spine. Relax the shoulders down and back. We'll close the eyes and allow ourselves to arrive here on our mat, ready for our practice. Start to deepen the breath in and out through the nose. Allow the mind to calm. Hug the arms around the body, nice and tight. And bring your gaze from left to right. Moving with the breath as you inhale and exhale. One more time. And back to center. Bring the hands out in front of you, fingertips pointing back. We're going to press into our palms. Spread your fingers wide and slowly start to rock your hips back towards your heels, giving our wrists and our forearms a nice deep stretch. We're going to rock from side to side, just noticing what's there. Thanking our hands, arms, and shoulders for all they do for us. Coming back to center. Bringing the hands back forward. We'll sweep the feet around to a comfortable seated posture, crossing the legs. We'll take our right hand up and over, left hand down and around. Press into your spine, open up elbow to elbow. Lifting your gaze. We'll exhale, squeeze. Rolling through the spine. Inhale, open. Exhale. Inhale. Back to neutral. And we'll switch it out. Open the arms nice and wide, left hand overhead. Press into your spine, open up. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale. Last one, open wide. Exhale, release. And we'll come back to neutral. Releasing the hands to the top of the knees. Interlace your fingers and flip the palms away from you. Roll into your spine once again. Gaze towards your belly button, sending the hands away from you. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale, sink. 2 more, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to neutral. Releasing the hands. Send them behind you. Interlace the fingers. Squeeze the shoulder blades together. We'll take a big inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Let the hands float up. Finding your breath. Breathing through the sensations. Going just a little bit deeper. And we'll inhale, rise. Exhale, release the hands back to the top of your knee. Big, yummy circles. Rolling out the shoulders. Opposite direction, squeeze on your back, roll it around. Get into what it feels like. Last one. And we're back to center. Bring your opposite foot forward. Left hand comes across your body, squeeze it in with the right. Gaze to the left. Reaching out through your fingertips. And we'll switch it out. Right arm across the body, squeeze it in, gaze over your shoulder. Reaching out through the right fingertips. One more breath. Release. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Exhale, float it down. Walk the hands out in front of you. And we'll take the left arm up and out. Twist and wide. Bring the hand to the low back. Sink into the posture. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Switch it out. Inhale the right open. Send it around to the low back. And then sink into it. One more breath. And we'll inhale and exhale. Walk the hands back towards you. Take the legs out into full straddle. Pressing through your heels. Our shoulders and our hips are deeply connected, and they are our center, so heart over your hips. Right arm comes up and over. Left arm comes down and around. Again, press into your spine, open up. We'll take our circles to the right, reaching towards the leg first, rolling through center. And inhale up. Exhale down. Noticing what's there. Staying present for your experience. We'll take one more round. Back to center. We'll open wide. Switch it out. Press into your spine. I'm going to open through my heart, open through the shoulders. Take it to the left. Last one. Meet me back in center. hands back to the top of the knees. We'll inhale, rise, float it down. Relax your knees, relax your face. We'll inhale, sweep the right arm up and open. Exhale, thread your needle. You're gonna rest on that right shoulder. Reach out through the left fingertips. Notice how it feels to be in this shape, to be in your body in this present moment. Inhale, open. Exhale, down. Inhale to left. Exhale. Sink in. Remember, every exhale is an opportunity to release all the things that no longer serve us. One more. And we'll inhale, open. Exhale, down. Gaze forward, palms in. Nice and strong, we'll rise. Exhale, down. Closing the legs. And then sweep them around. Meet me in tabletop. Take your arms out in front of you, hips stay high. Sink into your underarms. Breathe into the ribs. Send your right hand to the center of your back. And release. Switch it out. Left hand to the center. This is a great posture to also do your pelvic floor exercises. Hugging it up towards the heart. Gently release. Walk the hands back towards you. Sitting back onto your heels. Relax the crown down. Inhale forward onto your elbows. Interlace the fingers. Tuck the toes. We're taking the hips up and out. Walk the feet in. Sink into your heels. We're going to pedal it out. One more time each side. Coming back to stillness. Adjusting where you need to, really dropping into the shoulders. Big inhale. Exhale back down to the knees. Relax the toes. Sink the hips back. Arms come out. Interlace the fingers onto the back one more time. And we'll inhale, rise. Big inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, rise. And release the hands back to the top of the knees. Rolling out the shoulders one last time. Opposite direction. Back to center. We'll come back to our comfortable seated posture. Bringing the hands to heart center and closing the eyes. Lengthen up and out through the spine. Bring yourself back to that nice deep breathing in and out through the nose. May you continue this day feeling restored and recharged. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.